Hello guys, this is Tommy Tong from Sourcing Yuan. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to source high-quality rice from China. As a native Chinese and a seasoned trader, I have a profound understanding of China's grain industry. First of all, the rice I want to introduce is Wuchang rice, known as in China's rice industry. The origin of this rice is located in northeast China. It is the only northeast rice included in the China-EU Geographical Indications Agreement, with an annual outward shipment volume exceeding 200,000 tons. Its Diohexane variety has an amylose content of 17%. The cooked rice doesn't harden when cold, and it is the designated rice used by Japanese sushi restaurants. Next, the category I'd like to introduce is Jiangsu Shean rice. It is located in eastern China, close to Shanghai, enjoying an extremely advantageous geographical location. This type of rice won the Gold Award at the 2025 IG or World Grain and Oil Exhibition. Its selenium-rich rice has a premium rate of 30%, boasting extremely excellent quality. If you wish to purchase this type of rice, it is recommended to choose Shanghai port for shipment with priority given to cold chain logistics to preserve its freshness. The last category I'd like to introduce is Hubei Jianghan rice, a blockbuster in e-commerce channels. This type of rice is grown in central China, where there are very advanced agricultural infrastructure facilities. Therefore, its yield is extremely high. It features a 7-step strict selection traceability system and a cross-border e-commerce dedicated line, with a target export volume of 50,000 tons in 2025, making it a preferred choice for middle-end household consumption in North America and East Asia. Well, that's all I have to introduce today. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment, and don't forget to follow us.